Hello once again, boys and girls. It's Mr. Economy here. I hope that you're doing well, staying safe and working hard through those learning from home packs. I'm here once again to read you another book from our epic reading website catalog. This book is called Hiccup. Now, I just want you to think to yourself, is there ever been a time where you've had the hiccups and you just couldn't get rid of it? I'm sure that this book, if you've had that before, you'll be able to relate to this book really, really closely. So let's have fun and let's read this book. So the book is Hiccup by Herrod. And it goes, uh-oh. Now the first part of this book is called Hiccups for Breakfast. Looks like Dad walks in and says, "Rise and shine, Jamie. It's the big day of your school play. Jamie's not here. Would you like to leave a message? Speak at the beep. Beep. Time to get a move on, Jamie. Jamie who? School is cancelled. It was on the news. Why so worried? What if I forget my lines? Or fall off stage? Or explode? Look, I made your favourite breakfast. Oh boy, I guess I could eat one teeny bite. Uh-oh. I think he's got a bit of the hiccups. By golly, that's a monster case of hiccups. Last time you had the hiccups, it lasted 2 whole days. My play will be ruined. I'm sure you'll figure something out. Hey, the bus is here. Good luck. I'm doomed. Now the next part of the story is called Hiccups on the Bus. And he's just sitting there. Yikes, Jamie. Oh no, not the day on the big play. I will cure you. The show must go on for I, Jenna, and the big star. And I'm in big trouble. Attention everyone. Jamie has the hiccups and we need a cure. I've got an idea. Hold your breath for 6 minutes. 6? Come on, try it. He didn't do it right. Too bad. Totally. Drink 10 gallons of water. You cover one eye and cover one ear. You need to spin around for 30 minutes. Pour soda on your head. Hold your tongue for 1 hour. You need to eat 100 jalapeno peppers. No, you say the alphabet backwards. None of those hiccup cures worked. We're doomed. Don't be silly. I've got plenty of ideas. We're just getting started. Come on, let's ask Mr. Beakerbottom. He knows everything. He's a super genius. Now the next part is called the Hick Be Gone 3000. Mr. Beakerbottom, we have a big problem. I can solve any problem. What is it? I see. You need to cure your hiccups. Only a genius could do that. Luckily, you're talking to one. Cool! Awesome! Behold my cabinet of curiosities. These are my greatest inventions. Look there, he's got a toy red dog, a Rubik's Cube, he's got a little TV, and it looks like a spaceship, and a little brain in there as well. How crazy is that? And this is the Hick Be Gone 3000. The extra super fast spinning action makes hiccups fly away. Just so you know, I get car sick a lot. There's nothing to worry about. Now, fasten your seatbelt. This is really weird. I feel so dizzy. Oh. My brilliant plan worked. Jamie is cured. Oh. I see. Maybe you need to spin faster. No, that's okay, thanks. I have a better idea. We can ask Coach Bloat. Coach Bloat? The strongest man in school? Now the next part is called the Hiccup Workout. Coach Blade, we need your help.
Wait, don't tell me. I'm great at guessing. Your dog ate your gym shorts. The basketball are too round. There's baloney in your tennis shoes.
Jamie has the hiccups.
I got it. Jamie has the hiccups. Looks like it's time for Coach Bloat Super Sports Cure.
I'm really more into video games.
Not anymore. Let's go. That's it.
Hold that pose. He's standing on his head going,
Keep the chin up. Pump those knees. Now, slam dunk and you're cured.
I don't think he's cured.
Sorry, sport. There's always next season.
Lunchtime. Let's go. Let's go ask lunch lady Linda. Cool. Can I get a tater tot? Now the next part is called Hiccups for lunch. Lunch lady Linda, Jamie has the hiccups and we need a cure.
Don't worry, kiddo. Lunch lady Linda's hiccup surprise never fails.
You got a salad? Gross. Hey, no cutting.
Add some Sloppy Joe mix. Add a dash of chocolate milk. A glob of yesterday's meatloaf. A squirt of ketchup and mustard. Toss in broccoli and Brussels sprouts. And mix, 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 mix. Try it.
Yuck, no way. It smells like wet socks. Jamie, we need to do this for the play. Here, I'll try it with you. Really? Thanks, Jenna.
Wait, maybe you didn't have enough. Want some more?
No thanks. I'm gonna ruin the play. Don't give up yet. We're smart. If we put our heads together, we'll think like one brain. So it looks like they've gone outside onto the seesaw just to get into the fresh air, clear their mind, and think of ideas, which is a really good idea of them. So they're on the seesaw. And it's now nighttime. Any ideas? Nope. Oh no! It's time for the play. Maybe changing into your costume will cure you. Wow, we're totally out of ideas. The next part of the book is called Hiccups on Stage. Oh no, my starring moment will be ruined. And look at that crowd. Wowza! Now, can you tell by the costumes what story or what play they might be doing? It's a really, really popular one. So have a think about that and look at their costumes closely. And look at how many people in the crowd. I'd be so nervous if I was them, especially with the hiccups. Think, Jenna, think. What would really scare Jamie's hiccups away? I've got it. There's just enough time for a good luck kiss. Oh, gross. No way. Hey, where'd he go? I think this will give away where he's hiding. There you are. Don't be a baby. And I'm cooties. Girl jumps. It's all slimy and yucky. Wait a second. My hiccups. They're gone. The star has cured you. Let's go do the show. A hiccup-free performance. La 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 la. Bravo! Bravo! Encore! Encore! Hooray for the stars! We did it! And I was the big star! I'm so excited! Uh-oh. It looks like Jenna has the hiccups now. Rats! Now I have the hiccups. But at least I know the cure. Wait, no, stop. I have another idea. Lick a frog. Dance like a chicken. Climb Mount Everest. And that's the end of the story, boys and girls. I hope that you enjoyed that one. It was really fun to make. I love doing these books and I love doing the voices, but I hope that you enjoy them. Let me know what you think and let me know of any books that you'd like me to read as well. As always, stay safe and have a great rest of your day.